hear my voice, I am R. Damodaran, Kanchipuram, in Tamil Nadu. I am standing before you to participate in this on behalf of All India Kisan Sabha, to participate in this Samyukta Kisan Morcha agitations. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for the preparation work and integration work and unifying the all agitators in this as a culmination in single agitation. This is a great task, I think. It is a magnificent and glorious task of the Kisans and Mazdoors against the ruling classes, that is the union government. And first, they said, former Prime Minister Vajpayee said, "Sabko dekha bar bar, हमको देखा एक बार." But we have all crossed across their rulings, and now in 2014 they said, हम मोदी जी के लेने वाले हैं, अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. But this is not the time of अच्छे दिन. They are implemented and implementing anti-people policies, adverse measures against the public and the citizen of this nation. First, I have to mention in Tamil Nadu, we have conducted many struggles. In the past 8 months, we have arrested for picketing and burning the copies of law for several times. 17 agitations were held in Tamil Nadu so far. Now, due to Corona-19, we will not be able to participate in this agitation directly. Now, we come here for our participation. Our government twisting and shifting its burdens to the public. They are bankrupted in their all policies now. Particularly, the economic policy and defense policy and agricultural policy and health policy all were failed for the past 6 years. For example, corruption is day-to-day actions of their rulers. They are making gimmicks like making India and Bhumi Puja to Ram and Jammu Kashmir Union bifurcation and border clashes. There is no border clash in our line of control. After 8 months lapses of the clash, our defense minister declares. But our Prime Minister says our martyrs lost their lives. It will be a glorious one. We have to respect them. Actually, what is happening in border, they are keeping it a surprise one and a secret one. Counterparts of Pakistan and China and Bangladesh says they have no responsible for like any intrusion and activities of line of control. This is their policy in defense. They have very famously announced Namami Gange, bullet train and smart cities to be implemented within a short period. There is no scope and there is no symptoms of these announcements yet still now. Enormous crores of rupees have spent for the purpose and no improvement in this they have done. That is also this is the past assurances and their present activities. Now in Parliament there is a new boom, that is Pegasus. Who is responsible for the software purchase and how it was trespassed and how it is misused to the public and intellectuals and public of these nations against pressmen and etc. etc. But they are keeping silent and mum giving no reply to the questions of our parliamentarians. And they are implemented without any consultation with the cabinet, the demonetization and make the black marketers riches by money laundering. And also they have implemented the GST without the proper state consultations and without giving proper shares to the state governments. There are enormous dues in the GST payment to the states. And also there is one new announcement, that is NEET implementation. NEET examinations are not necessary to several states now. We have in Tamil Nadu, so far from the primary medical education, we have top at the rank. That is why we say we will not be consider the NEET. It is unnecessary to our pupil. So far, 30 entrants make suicide by this Didir announcement. That is not necessary for us. We condemn this NEET also. Also, new economic policy threatens us the nearest school education and free education, and it extends the facilitate corporate companies and multinational universities to enter into our nation and spoil our education system, which we have constructed so far for the past 70 years. They have collapsed the 44 labor laws and coupled them into 4 labor codes without any proper consultation, debate, or etc. in the Parliament. It is an authoritarian attitude of the government and autocratic attitude of the government which should be condemned. One. They have also, without consultation and without debate, made several attempts to grab the land from the farmers. they have land grabbing bills for 3 times in Lok Sabha, and they were failed to make it legitimate. In Rajya Sabha, they have failed. Next, they are implementing in Tamil Nadu to natural gas and pipeline and tower building and sterilite and methane gas, etc., and greenways, roads, structure. These are all leads to one purpose, that is grab the lands from the farmers and make him a poor and to end of his life. That is why we are condemning these acts of the government regarding farmers. They are now entering in modifying, introducing 3 anti-agricultural farmer bills into acts now. One is making the farmer, in the name of service, a poor man, and it makes him a prestigious name of farmer will become a slavery farmer. And another one is to boost the corporate companies like Adani's, Ambani's to build up their distribution system in production of food grains. And third one is make the poor farmers and agricultural workers as a landless workers of primitive days. And we are condoning the introduction of electricity bills, a new system to be implemented, that is in the name of Uday. This is unwarranted and unnecessary to Tamil Nadu farmers. Now our state government extends us free current, free electricity, and the farmers are substantiated by this act to the lowest procuring prices. But it negates this benefit to the farmers. That is why we are opposing the Uday. And also, this government, by these acts, moves forward day to day to an authoritarian force, and their delaying tactics were failed, and they are acting as autocrats, and we are going to pre-imperial period and supporters of world imperialism. That is why we condemn this union government's acts. By these agitations, we extend our participation in Farmers Act. All efforts of these agitations, it is a glorious one, magnificent one. So far, there is a world record. There is no world record for the past 8 months of this struggle in this history of the farmers. We have to restrain the government and the rulers from their looting and safeguarding the corporate companies and their loyalty to the internal corporates like Adani's, Ambani's. They have to withdraw these acts, and they have to consider the farmers' grievances at once without prestige. They have to bend down. Otherwise, we will be not silent forever. We will have to go front for the step down this government and throw out from the parliament It will be taken in due course. Thank you. Jai Jawan and Jai Hind.